So guys, today's going to be an easy mod to do that a lot of people overlook. So we know a lot of these lights in this car are factory white, which I thought was really nice. You don't have to mess with those. But we know the vanity lights, for some reason, they still don't replace. So I'll be doing that in another video, swapping those out. But they're still yellow. Easy to do, just like the cord, it's the same one. It's a festoon bulb. Just swap that out. That's really easy. But there's another light in here that's yellow that should have been white. It's the light in the glove box. It's nice that it has a light in here, I will say. But let me show you here the bulb. Bear with me here as I've put the camera in here so you could see it. Okay, it's right there. Okay, it's just a normal incandescent, tiny little bulb. You have to remove some of those panels to get it though. So here's what I picked up. These are the ones you need. They're really small. They're T5s. They're cheap though. And it's a direct replacement. You can get whatever brand you want. But you got to take this piece off right here. Really easy to do. You just hold it right here and pull back towards you. Pull back. And as you do that, the clips will come out. You see, I already pulled back and starts loosening up here. Okay, it's not hard to do. Let me show you. Okay, this was already all pulled. I pulled it. And see, it's all taken off now. And it's just held on with clips, so you're not going to break anything. Just pull back. But now the wires are connected for like the ambient lighting and stuff. So don't go ahead and rip the whole thing off. I'm just going to rest it here like that. No reason to unplug it. There's the bulb. There's a socket at least. You have to turn it counterclockwise and then pull towards you. And then it'll come out. Kind of a pain just because it's hard to see exactly. You have to kind of do it by feel, but there's the bulb. Very small, like I said, and be careful not to lose it. Okay, I took it out. Here's the stock one. Real teeny. And you'll notice with these T5s, because it's not a direct replacement bulb, the base is a tad bigger, but it'll fit. Just know that when you do it, you have to put a little bit more force on it and it'll fit. Okay, so I went ahead and replaced that. You can see a nice white light now. Looks good. I just put it back in just like I took it out. You put it in, you turn it clockwise to lock it. You'll feel it when it kind of goes into the groove and you lock it up. It's a nice white light now. Like I said, nothing exciting on this. It's just kind of with that whole thing where it's all the same. I don't like yellow lights. And then you just push this panel back on and you'll feel it snap into place. It's really easy to do. I know it's intimidating sometimes with these cars because they look all fancy, but it's all held on the same. This is a Honda, so it's going to have the same clips and everything like that. But now you can see it's a nice white light. Looks really good. And this isn't extremely bright in the first place anyway. You're just changing the color more or less. But it does, at night, it does flow with all the white lights in this car. Okay, so if you want to swap that out, easy to do. Very simple. You can do it yourself. So I appreciate all you guys. I do. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll catch you guys next time.